In this video I'm going to show you how to add the formation polygons, so the coloured areas on the map. Okay. So I'm going to start off by doing that for the La Chateau, so over down here. So I'm going to go to my data view and then I'm going to zoom in on La Chateau down here. And to avoid confusion with the contours and things, I'm going to switch off the geography layer. Okay, whilst I'm doing this. Okay, and I'm going to. Well, I was in the editor mode. Yeah. So if I'm going to start editing. Okay, and I want to edit the formations. Okay, and then I'm going to do create a feature. Okay, on here, and then it's going to. I'm going to want to create a Le Chateau feature in here. So then I want to use the trace option in here, and I click on the line that I want to trace around, and then I move my cursor around, and it automatically traces the boundary that we've already drawn on here. And then when I get back to the beginning, I double click and I have a boundary. You can see that it's a bit jagged. Well, I didn't use enough points when I was drawing the line, the boundary. Okay, I want to save my edits. Okay, I can stop editing here, and you can see it there. So next, I'm going to do. I'm going to do another. I'm going to do the condomine. This one in here. Okay. So I'm going to zoom in a bit on that. Okay. And I'm going to start editing. Okay. I'm going to edit the formations. Okay. I'm going to create feature. Go to the condomine, okay, and I'm going to follow up the lower boundary, so that's this boundary in here. So I'm going to need the trace feature, and it'll work its way along here. It's reached a problem there, so I can then just click again, and then it'll carry on. Hopefully. Carry on along here, there, and then click on another line and then work my way down. All the way down here. There, I've done my condomine formation. Okay. Make sure I save my edits. Okay. I can stop at the editor. Yeah. I can move around. Okay. We can do this one in here. That's Hort 3, so we can add that. So I can start editing. I'm going to edit the formations. Okay, and that's Hort 3. And I'm going to use the trace feature. I can start from that point there. Go along. Trace along. and trace all the way around. Okay, save my edits. And then this in here is Baz2. Okay, so I can do Baz2. Okay. I can go along this boundary first. Oh, I'm in the wrong tool. Delete that. I'm going to be in this tool. I'm going to trace along the boundary along here. And trace along this boundary along here to the end there. There we go. Remember to save my edits, and then that's Hort 1, so this is Hort 2, that's Hort 3. So we add, we're going to do Hort 2. And we want to be on that tool again. Make that mistake. Click. Drag our way along that line. And work our way around. No, I don't want to go that way. I go this way. Okay. And you can see we're building up a geological map. Zoom out slightly. Okay. I can do this tartan one in here. Okay, so save it. Make sure I've saved edits. And this is going to be tartan, which is tartan's there. So I can start here. Make sure I'm in the right tool. Trace along the boundary. That, and that, to that. Come along to this one. Nope. Work my way on that boundary. All the way down. And then I have that. So I put the geography back on, go back to my preview, go to 10,000 scale. And we can see we're building up with our areas of colour in this way. Okay. Make sure you save. Save often, save the file often, and to keep it backed up. In the next video I will show you how to do some finishing touches of making a key and things like that.